Welcome Tamago Nation, and today I will be the man that will be trying the new KFC Spicy Cheese Burger, Spicy Cheese Chicken, and lastly the Shrimp Nugget. What is this? So I'm really excited. Let us start with the Shrimp Nugget because I felt like these two are gonna taste very similar, and these two smell is gonna be way more intense than the Shrimp Nugget. Let me start with one. Okay. It's definitely not crispy on the outside. I can taste a little bit of shrimp, so I'm just gonna peel it off and see. Based on what I see here is that we are not getting a lot of shrimp, man. Like there's a lot of flour, but the shrimp, I don't see a lot of shrimps, man. Like this is okay, but if you want shrimp, just get a real shrimp. This is not the best. I would say if the shrimp flavor, if they use a little bit of artificial shrimp flavoring, it will be so much more better. So now with the review of the shrimp nugget out of the way, let us try the chicken because the chicken is what I'm here for. KFC is famous for their chicken. Hopefully the spicy cheese is gonna be good. Let me try. Okay. The cheese tasted like powdered cheese. It is not like it's not mozzarella cheese. I'm not sure what cheese this is, but it definitely tastes more like maybe brie cheese or something like that. It reminded me of the cheese powder that you use to thicken the soup in Pizza Hut, something like that. It is not the cheese that melts and it is like all liquidy feeling. So I'm not sure what that cheese actually is, but if you know what cheese that is, let me know in the comment section below, because I actually really love the cheese. Okay, so the spiciness is not really there yet, maybe just because the bite that I took don't really have a lot of spice. I'm gonna take a few more bites and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts. Good. I know where I taste the cheese from. If you guys try contos, the one of the snack in Malaysia, I think it's from Malaysia. It's called contos. The cheese flavored contos tastes exactly like this chicken right now. It is legit the same taste, just a little bit more spicy, and instead of chips, it is meat. So that is a plus, an amazing plus. So I love this. I really love this. Amazing stuff. It is not too crispy, the skin, but the flavor, the way they season it is good. I don't mind it at all. So now we got the spicy cheese burger. Let us take a look at what is inside. We got the spicy mayo. We got cabbage or lettuce, whatever it is, and then we got a piece of meat. That's it. This actually looks like spicy chicken McDeluxe from McDonald's. Maybe this is KFC way to challenge McDonald's on the spicy burger. This could actually be okay, because I have looking for a replacement for spicy chicken McDeluxe for the longest time, and I haven't found one. Not one worthy replacement has been found yet so far, but hopefully someone out there is able to make me a really crispy, juicy chicken burger for me to try, and I hope KFC is gonna be the one. Mm. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. One more bite. This is sad because I don't taste the cheesy or the spicy from this piece of meat at all. I don't taste anything from the burger, man. Like, it is bland. I would say the only thing that I can taste here is the spicy mayo, and it's not even that spicy. It is more, it's leaning more towards the sweet side. That is kind of sad. Hmm. Hmm. I wonder why. The chicken is flavorful, it's punching with flavor. And I would assume that the chicken here in the burger is the same spice, same seasoning as the one that is in the burger, as the one that, that is here. But for some reason, when it is put in a bun setting, it loses all the flavor. Like, the flavor is not strong enough to cut through the bun, to cut through the mayo, to cut through the cabbage. Very, very underwhelming. Very disappointed by the flavor here. Well, at least there is crunch. At least there is crunch. Mm. The mayo here is the saving grace, because without the mayo, this tastes like nothing, man. Really, really nothing. So this is something new that KFC is trying to do. I'm not sure whether or not this is gonna be a permanent item. I don't think so. Okay, I think this is just gonna be a limited time offer. By the time you saw this video, I hope it is still around for you to try. But I have to say, my 2 cents here, the burger is not that great. But if you just eat the chicken on itself, it is good. And the shrimp nugget, you can do without it. But if you really want to try, feel free to try it. It tastes like shrimp, like butter prawn shrimp without the butter. So might as well just get the butter prawn shrimp, or just get shrimp. A stream. Okay, so just go do that. What am I trying to say? But here, I have finished review the food. It is time to indulge in them. Hopefully I can finish this within maybe like 5 minutes. If I can finish within 5 minutes, you know what to do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and crack that like button, like how you crack your egg every single day. Let me start. Mm. One thing that I want to comment for the shrimp nugget, it tastes like the shrimp keropok that you eat during Chinese New Year. If you are a Chinese and you've been through Chinese New Year, you would definitely know like the big keropok of prawn paste that always got served during the CNY. It is like one of the most tasty keropok out there, and this actually tastes quite similar to it. But when you expect shrimp in a savory, or should I say in a proper meal, you would definitely expect the shrimp to be more juicy, to be more soft, a little bit tender. But it is this one is, how do I say, it loses the texture of the shrimp, which makes it very weak. Okay, so just trying to add on my review on the shrimp nugget here. Ooh. Mm. That's all. Hope you enjoy. Bye.